10th, 2025, in Ahuachapán, El Salvador, a powerful steam explosion erupts from the El Azul vent, launching debris just meters from nearby homes. Caused by superheated underground water, this rare blast forced evacuations. Thankfully, no one was injured. In Barranquilla, Colombia, flash floods turned streets into rivers of trash after heavy rain. Locals watched helplessly as garbage-filled floodwaters surged through neighborhoods. This shocking CCTV footage from Myanmar. On March 2025, a powerful 7.7 earthquake strikes. Inside this electronics shop, shelves collapse and chaos unfolds within seconds.
जो हमारे यहाँ जगह टपरियन है, रोरा है और तालोन है।
On July 5th, 2025, the Turtle Fire in Alaska erupted into a massive blaze, sending flames and smoke racing across the forest. On July 7th, 2025, flash floods hit Cipatat in South Tangerang, Indonesia. Floodwaters surged through residential streets, reaching over 25 centimeters and inundating homes. Terrifying scenes unfolded on July 9th, 2025. In New Mexico, as walls of mud and floodwater tore through the town, sweeping away roads and homes, tragically, 3 lives were lost, but many others were rescued just in time. Relentless storms unleashed flash floods across New Jersey and New York. In Plainfield, raging waters swallowed cars on the streets.
That's where their cars are. The divider, it busted them.
While deep underground, New York's subway system turned into a torrent, trapping passengers and halting transit.
Let's go!
terrifying landslide near Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, India, as massive rocks explode down the mountainside. A violent flash flood strikes Wenchuan, China. Torrents of muddy water sweep away everything in their path, homes, trees, and roads, leaving devastation behind. In July 2025, deadly floods swept through Merida, Venezuela, hitting towns like Pueblo, Llano, and Tamotes. Torrents of water destroyed homes, roads, and farmland. Over 10,000 families were affected, with at least 2 lives lost.
Ay, toda la vida con nosotros el palo, mano, mire. Ay, bendito Padre, amado. Ay, Dios los bendiga, hermano. Ay, Dios mío.
Baja, uy, baja, no lo que baja grande, baja grande. Mire, baja grande, eche para allá. Eche para allá, eche para acá. Mire lo que baja ahí grande. Vamos, vamos. A ver, para acá, papá. Ahí, acá para acá. A ver, para acá, papá.
A devastating flood ripped through Naran in northern Pakistan, sending boulders crashing down and cutting off vital mountain roads. The terrifying force of nature left locals and tourists stranded as the region braced for more destruction.
Ёма! Ёшкин кот!
जा रहा है, उधर को ऑटो पीछे
Flash floods struck Kayseri, Turkey, trapping farm workers inside a container. All were rescued safely.
That's terrible.
In Texas, powerful floodwaters swept away a cabin as the San Saba River overflowed. On July 7th, 2025, hurricane-force winds ripped through Slovakia, tearing off rooftops and forcing a state of emergency across the region.
Vai pisora. E acho no praga.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video impactful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.